Pleasant morning to one and all. I am Dr. Sumitra. Today we are going to discuss about the image recognition. The image recognition is a cornerstone of artificial intelligence, and the computer vision has undergone a profound transformations with the advent of a deep learning technique. So, the evolution of the image recognition, also known as object recognition, has a rich spanning several decades. A traditional image recognition methods rebuilds on the handcrafted features and the classical method learning algorithms such as support vector machines and the decision tree. With this approach, showed some success. They struggled with the complexity of a variability of a real-world images. The fundamental concept of the image deep learning is all about the deep learning is just an the deep learning is all about the deep learning is a subset of image machine learning which is inspired by the structure and their functions of the human brain has revolutionized the image recognition. As it goes, the deep learning involves the training a neural network with the multiple layers of interconnected nodes to the automatically learns hierarchical representations of data. The key concept includes the feed-forward network, backpropagation, activation functions, and optimizing the algorithms like stochastic gradient descent (SGD). The roles of an convolutional neural network. The CNN where is a specialized type of a deep learning network designed for pre-processing the grids-like data such as images, having emerged as a domain architecture for image recognition tasks. The CNN leverages the convolutional layers to extract the spatial features from the input images, pooling the layers to reduce the dimensional and fully connected layers for the classification. The ability of CNN has to learn the hierarchical recognized representations of feature, making them highly effective for the image recognition. The training the CNN for the image recognition is all about the training the CNN for image recognition involves several key steps. First, a large labeled data sets of images required for training. A common data sets includes ImageNet, Cipher10, and Magnet. Next, the CNN architecture is defined, typically compressing a multiple convolutional, pooling, and fully connected layer. The network is trained using a backpropagation and the gradient descents to minimize the loss function, such as categorical across entropy by adjusting the network weights. The transfer learning and pre-trained model. The transfer learning and is a popular technique in the deep learning, accelerated the training process by leveraging the pre-trained model trained on the large data sets. Instead of training the CNN from the scratch, transfer the learning involves a fine-tuning a predetermined model on a specific data sets or a task. This approach is especially useful when working with a limited data and computational resources. The practical applications of the deep learning based image recognition. The deep learning based image recognition has a wide range of practical application across various domains. Object detection, identifying and localizing the multiple objects within the image, a crucial task in autonomous vehicles, surveillance system, and augmented reality application. The image classification, assigning a label or the category to an entire image, enabling the applications such as content-based image retrieval, medical image analysis, and automated quality control in capturing. The facial recognition, where recognizing and verifying the individual based on facial feature with applications in security system. The biometric authentications and personalize the user experience. The image segmentation, practicing an image into a segmental meaningful region, essential for tasks like segmental scene understanding, medical image analysis, and video object tracking. The image captions is all about generating a natural language descriptions of image content, facilitating accessibility for a visually impaired individuals, and enhancing a content-based image retrieval system. And the challenges in a deep learning based image recognition is all about the deep learning which is a basic application, the data quality and the quantity. The deep learning model requires the large amount of high quality labeled data for training, which may be scarce or expensive to obtain in a certain domain. Overfitting. The deep learning neural networks are prone to overfitting, especially when trained on the limited data. Regularization techniques such as dropout and the data augmentations can mitigate this issue. Interpretability. Understanding why deep learning model makes a particular prediction remain challenges, hindering trust and transparency in critical applications like healthcare and the criminal justice. The computational resources. The training deep learning model requires a significant computational resources include a high performance GPU or TPU, which may be inaccessible to the researcher and the practitioner in resource constrained environment. Adversarial attack. A deep learning model solves vulnerability to adversarial attack, where small interpretability pretensions to the input images can lead to the incorrect prediction, raising a concern about the robustness and the security of the deployed system. Hence, the basic challenges and the limitations which we have discussed with the inventory management and the customer engagement. I finally concluded the deep learning has revolutionized the image recognition, enabling the unpredicted accuracy and scalability across a wide range of applications. The convolution neural networks have merged as a cornerstone of a deep learning based image recognition system, delivering a hierarchical representations of the feature to achieve the state of art performance. And hence we can also expect the future breakthrough in image recognition and its application, shaping the future of artificial intelligence and the computer vision. I hope you're clear with this concept. Thank you.